Hey guys, it's Josefa here and welcome back to my channel. I was scrolling through Tumblr. I saw this look of Naomi Campbell. She was rocking whatever it is from like the 1990s, and it's kind of inspired by this. I mean, mine's a little bit more drag, obviously, because that's me, and hers was a little more runway, but like the color scheme went amazingly. I'm using my It's My Ray Ray palette. I got this for my job a few weeks ago. I mean, this is an older palette. This is from her collab with BHCosmetics. I'm sure if you mess with It's My Ray Ray, everybody knows about this. The colors in this palette though, crazy pigmented. Like, I was not expecting them to be this pigmented, but did wonders on my eyes. Like, whoa, ma'am. She did a great job with all the colors in here. Shout out to MoonxCosmetics. I used a few of their products in the video before the video even started, after I got out of the shower and I washed my face, everything, and I used her rose and aloe toner. I've been using this for days and my skin honestly has looked really good. I don't know if it's this in combination with my black soap or a moisturizer that I've been using, but ever since I started using this, like, my skin has been off the chain. So I'll link her website below, and as well as her Instagram and her other pages. And then her highlighters, oh my god, look at this highlighter that I got from her. I forgot the name of the highlighter because I ordered this stuff forever ago, but I'll link everything below, of course. I'm using it on top of the highlighter in the It's My Ray Ray palette, so I don't want you guys to be like, you know, this is the final, but I'll do a quick swatch for you guys so you guys can really see. I love when people make their own highlighters because there's just a different consistency than when people make their own highlighters and then when you buy highlighters like at the, you know, Sephora and things like that. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Are you guys seeing this gleam right now? Are you guys seeing this? Like, can I just drown myself in this color right now? Like, what? This color? Oh, I'm just gonna like quickly dab some excess on top. Hey, why not just run it down the neck? What do we have to lose? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, Twitter and Instagram at Zanicha blah blah blah. She's my first and my last name spelled backwards. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so starting off with my It's My Ray Ray palette, I used the color Black Beauty on my eyebrows and then the color Nudist to set my concealer on my eyes. I'm going to go in with the color Mousse, and I actually used a little bit of spice beforehand, but just mousse this time to run all across my crease to transition the colors. Next, I'm going to go on with the color Connie, which is like a deep purple. While looking up, because of my hooded lids, I'm going to begin to carve out the edges of my eyes. I have the tape there just because I wanted a really crisp line. And then by looking up, I also helped to outline where I wanted my crease to cut. I'm going all the way in on the inner corner of my eye just to make it super dramatic. Then with my MAC NW15, my favorite concealer to set my, or to conceal or cut out my crease with, basically, I'm going to go in all over the lid, again going all the way to that inner corner and then blending it out on the outer edges, and then I'm going back in with that purple to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to go in with Nudist and Control Freak, clearly, and then I'm going to put Nudist all over my lid first to start out with, basically what we did in the beginning stages of this look. And then I'm going to take the color Control Freak and blend that in between Nudist and Connie to really give it a nice, like, browned out edge. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Black Beauty that I used on my brows just to deepen up the outer corners because I think I needed it to have a little bit more oomph, basically. And then I'm also taking it and dragging it right above that Nudist color in between the two shades just so I can really carve out my crease. Next, I'm going to take the color Angel and just going where you would be able to see when I have my eyes open, I'm placing the color there. I'm not putting it all over my lid because I just want it to be able to be seen when like my eyes are open, and then when you close, just to have that nice like gradient. Then for lashes, I'm going to go in with my Iconic Collection 15 lashes. I already did my concealer and everything off camera, so I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm using the same It's My Ray Ray palette and taking the color Mocha just to sculpt out my cheeks. Then I'm taking my AirSpun translucent powder and using that to carve out my bronzer, and then I think I put it a little bit on my chin and my nose and my forehead as well. With the color Chai from the It's My Ray Ray palette, I'm just going to use that to set my under eyes again on top of the powder that I originally used. And I'm going to take this Maybelline Colorsensational lipstick in Chocoholic. It's like a really deep brownish red, and I'm using that to line my waterline since I didn't have an eyeliner this brown. I love this lipstick though, especially as an eyeliner. Like, what? It just made the look. And then instead of doing anything else to my bottom lash line, I'm just going to smudge this out and apply my usual L'Oreal bottom mascara. Back into the It's My Ray Ray palette again. I'm taking the deepest shade in Brownie Bite and using that to contour my face. Getting that all along there, nice and smooth like. Gotta carve out the nose, of course. I don't think I cream concealed today on my nose, which is wild. I just carved it out. For blush, I'm going to take the Ruby Kisses Blusher Quad in 02, what is this, Lemon Bear. And then I'm taking all three of the blush shades and applying that to the apples of my cheeks while blending it back into my bronzer. To wipe off all this bake today, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized face powder and the color Medium Deep to swipe away this translucent powder. The longest clip of me blending off this powder. Hurry up, Jeff. Hurry up, hurry up. Just kidding, it's an ASMR video. It's like cleaning off my nose piercing and my beauty mark because I'm literally gonna take pictures after this. And then for highlighter today, I'm gonna take the one in the same palette called Rayediant. That's super cute. I didn't realize that was the name. And I already laid a cream highlighter down. I'm just putting that right on top of the cream highlighter. And for regular highlighter, shout out to MoonxCosmetics. I don't know the name. I'm going to find it on the website and leave it in the description box though. Oh my god, so pretty. And then I'm going to douse my face in my Morphe Continuous Spray. Shout out to my little sister for getting this for me for Christmas. It's the shit. And then applying that highlighter right on top. Get the beams going, girls. On my lips today, I'm using the ColourPop Matte Lippie in Embellish. I'm using this as a lip liner since I don't have a dark enough lip liner that I wanted for this look. So, tip, liquid lipsticks work amazingly as lip liners. Like, just as good, maybe even better, because they don't go anywhere. And then on the lips, I'm using the NYX matte lipstick in Butter. This is one of my fave nudes, like one of the first nudes that I ever bought. It's sort of like a creamy matte, so it's not like too harsh on your lips. but with a brown lip liner on my dark skin girls, like, yes, the most wonderful lip product in the whole entire world. That was the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And what will I do? See you guys in my next video. Ding! How did I fuck up this highlighter already? That's too much sauce. Yeah, there's like too much sauce and there's like too much sauce, you know? Now I was trying to sing all my favorite songs for my snap. I'm on hard drugs. Ooh, my hair looks so good. Oh, pictures. Duh.